let f of x equal 3x squared minus 15x plus 11. Find a such that f of a is equal to 11. So, we're told f of a is equal to 11. And that means that we would have f of a would be 3a squared minus 15a plus 11, substituting a in place of x, and that's equal to 11. So now we want to solve the quadratic equation right here. 3a squared minus 15a plus 11 equals 11. Well, we subtract 11 from each side, and we'd have 3a squared minus 15a equals 0. And now we factor the left-hand side. There's a common factor of 3a, and that would be when we factor out 3a inside the parentheses, a minus 5. So 3a times a minus 5 equals 0. We now use the principle of zero products to say that 3a equals 0 or a minus 5 equals 0. Solving each of those, here we divide both sides by 3, so we get a equals 0, or we add 5 to each side here, giving us the result a equals 5. I've already checked these answers, so I know they work, but you should check them when you are taking a test to make sure you have them correct. So we say the solutions are, or the values of a are, 0 and 5.